In Windows 11, I can show you how to change the thickness of the cursor. So you can see the cursor here. It's very thin and may be difficult for some people to see. So I'm going to show you how to change that. So if we click on the Start button and go to Settings, we're going to go to Accessibility. And here is Accessibility, so I'll click on that. And now I'm going to go to where it says Text Cursor. And we can see down here, Change the Text Cursor Thickness. So I'm going to change it to right about there. I'll go back to my notepad, and now we can see how much thicker it is, how much easier it is to see. So we can definitely go a lot thicker than that, maybe thicker than what most people want to see. But now it's sort of looking what it used to look like back in the 1990s. But you can change it back again if you'd like. I'm going to put it right about a third of the way in. Still make it easy to see, but not too thick. And there it is. So that's how you change the cursor thickness in Windows 11.